Now I'm going to tell you how to, with the 10 quick leaps of your imagination, create a memory system of 1000 from a basic 100, of the memory system of a 10,000 from the basic 1000 words. You use a similar method to that explained in a previous chapter, which simply to code, cover or color section of your major system in different substances. For example, to expand the basic 100 words to 1000 using the new multiplier method, you would adjust the section of your major system like this, from 100 to 199 in a block of ice, to a 200 to a 299 covered in a thick oil. The next 100 should be in flames. The next 100 words should be pictured as colored a brilliant and pulsating purple. The next 100 should be pictured as made of a beautiful velvet. The next 100 completely transparent images. The next 100 smelling of your favorite scent. The next 100 placed in the middle of a busy road. And the last 100 floating on a single cloud in a beautiful sunny clear sky. As with all previous systems, practice the major system privately and with your friends and colleagues. You can probably already begin to sense that the memorization of books, the preparation for examination, those are becoming increasingly easy tasks. The applications of the major system are almost as limitless as the system itself. In the next lectures, I'm going to help you to memorize the cards, long numbers, telephone numbers, the dates, history, birthdays and anniversaries, and information for your exams.